What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA SAGA.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And in today's video I will show you mind-blowing news that was published just several hours ago. And I will show you two news that are not so good for MMTLP shareholders. But before we dive deep into this news, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and share this video with your friends and family. This is the only way how we can attract more people to our problem. And this is the only way how we can win this battle. So, and let's start with the news itself. On frankness.com website you can find this article, and it says a new motion has been filed requesting MMTLP blue sheets. By itself it is not the news that we have to know this information that is in the blue sheets. And blue sheets tracks all the activity from the broker's side, and it tracks all the people who bought and who sold these shares. So, and let me show you this tweet. It was made by Due Diligence and he wrote, "Very excited to report that a petition has been filed in the Supreme Court of New York County by Mark Basile on behalf of a client to compel FINRA to produce the MMTLP blue sheets in an effort to ascertain the identities of all 105 broker-dealers involved. It is important to know that it is not a lawsuit, rather than it is a process to get pre-lawsuit discovery. The judge has 48 hours to sign off or not sign off. Thank you, Mark and OTC lawyers." And definitely it is the best news, it is the mind-blowing news, and it is the bombshell that we have right now, because we have 48 hours since this lawsuit was filed. And let me show you that it was filed on April 26, 2023, and this is the document itself. And I thought it should be quite small document, just several pages, but right here you can see that it is the 56 pages document, and it is very thoroughly made, and it describes the entire situation, and it describes why we need to see this data. And let me show you right here that let me switch to another page. We have here's the prayer for relief. Wherefore petitioner David Horasani prays for an order. A. Pursuant to CPLR paragraph 3102, compelling respondent to disclose and to turn over to petitioner the blue sheets relating to the MMAT and MMTLP securities. B. Pursuant to CPLR, the same number, directing respondent to preserve all evidence relating to the MMAT and MMTLP securities described herein, and C. Granting such and other and further relief that the court deems just and proper. And right here you can see some add-ons that we saw recently in the Rosa Towels lawsuit. And right here we can see, here it is, the FOIA letter that shows that this information is existing. So we are looking at the two issues from a fraud / manipulation angle, and in fact blue sheeting both MMAT and MMTLP as we speak. And this is the letter that was written by Sam Drady from FINRA to some unknown persons in SEC. And definitely we have less than 48 hours. I have to say that we have about 24 hours by the time this video will be posted. It will be just 24 hours till this deadline. And by the end of Friday we should know the results. And I have to say that this week is the crucial week for the MMTLP community. So I have to say that Mark R. Basile is a new hero right now. He is the head of his lawsuit company, as you can see, the Basile law firm. And here you can see the logo of MMTLP. This means he is a person who fights for our community and who fights against the illegal activity. So, and let me show you some interesting details. Ham Short Killer retweeted the tweet from Avid Trader, and he wrote, On the nose again, just figure it out, takes a few minutes. They have to show their cards or tell us why they want, and it will happen with 48 hours. So, the original tweet was made by Avid Trader, and he wrote, if MMTLP files suits against FINRA and SEC to get information on blue sheet investigation, it means we have two possibilities. First of all, they give it to them, and it will be win for us. And second one, we explain why they can't give it to them, and it is also win for us. Point is, they must give an answer and cannot drag their feet on this matter. And it is really important, because with this petition we have all the chances to see this information, and definitely it will be a win situation for us. So let me show you some news that are not so good for MMTLP community. Crucial Mix 4 hours ago wrote this tweet: MMTLP family, unfortunately, Hulu and Disney have rejected our Faces of MMTLP advertisement and won't allow us on their streaming service. This upset me immensely, but I'm challenging that energy toward finding even better options, so stay tuned. Watch for the video out tomorrow. And here's the original original letter from Hulu, and they wrote: I've confirmed with the team, and unfortunately this brand has been rejected and will not be able to serve on a Hulu ad manager. As we are currently in beta, we are not allowing all industries to advertise on the platform at this time. Please let us know if you have any questions. Thank you, Mike. So, and I have to say that we will see this advertisement that is half a minute long, and we will see it today, Thursday, April 27th. And I have to say that we will spread this information all across the internet, and I will do my best in order to do it. And that is why, again, please hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. So, let me show you another news that is not so bullish. Right here, Crucial Mix 11 hours ago wrote another tweet, and he wrote: the Forbes article by Brandon Kochkodin was a terrific resume and a job application for Brandon's next career move to a hedge fund or even FINRA. It's not what you know, it's what you write. Best of luck to you. And here is this original article, and I have to say that this article is written in a dismissive manner, and it has some misinformation facts. Let me show you this for you. Forbes fraud, journalist ignores certain facts in MMTLP article. Brandon Kochkodin brands us as a meme stock with no oil asset value and a stock that no one wants. The fact is, no one had a choice whether they wanted it or not. Investors' funds were wiped to zero with no notice. How's that fair? The community responds on Twitter and via email, and the article and Twitter references seem to be evolving throughout the day. The bottom link allows you to read the article without subscribing. And I will put the link on this article as well. You can click on it and you will find this article in archive.today. So I have to say that this article is not so bearish in general, because we have a huge exposure on Forbes customers, on Forbes readers, but the information that was represented in this article is not legit, and I have to say that we have several misleading facts that was in this article. One of them, in my opinion, is the worst, and somewhere here the author wrote that NextBridge Hydrocarbons is a public company that doesn't have a QCIP number, and that is why it cannot be tradable right now. But everything might happen in future, and because of this, NextBridge Hydrocarbons might have the shares that was shorted by short sellers. And definitely it is not the case, because it is a private company, and the law says that you cannot short private companies, and NextBridge Hydrocarbons is in this list. So it is what it is. We have to fight, we have to unite, and that is why just hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, drop me a line in the comment section, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born around rock star in this life, gon' live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only got